Hey, this is Clayton with Everything Ponds, and welcome to part 2 of our video series on liners. And this particular video is about choosing a pond liner material. So we have a few different options out there, and different ones, subtle differences for different things. But if you're the type of person that just wants a quick answer, you want the best choice for most situations, just go with a 30 mil laminated. So that's the premium RPE 30 mil laminated. And that liner is a good, strong liner. It's still pretty bendable. It's got a UV protective coating on it, 20-year warranty, even if you leave it out in the direct sun. A lot of liners have to be covered with water and to get the full warranty, but that laminated version doesn't. It can stay out in the sun full time, so it's a great option for that. All right, so we also have unlaminated liner. And the unlaminated, it's not as UV resistant, so it needs to be covered. So covered with soil or water counts as well, in order to get the 20-year warranty. That's the main difference. The laminated, basically you can just sit out in the sun with nothing covering it, still gets a 20-year warranty. So the unlaminated also comes in a few different thicknesses, 3, 24, 30 mil, 40 mil. And really it's just a measure of strength. And as you go up in thickness, it gets stronger. It also gets stiffer though. So 30 is kind of our bread and butter. It's the most common liner. The 40 is like an extra strength, double strength. Actually, the puncture resistance goes way up in the 40 mil. So people that are doing things that need a really beefy liner, or they have extra puncture concerns, go with the 40. The 24 is more of a budget option. It's got thinner coatings. I still prefer at least the 30 minimum, to be honest, but if you're on a budget, the 24 is there as well. All right, so that was an overview on the various RPE liner options. We also have EPDM rubber, which is more of a standard pond liner. The EPDM is really great for certain things and not so great for others, in my opinion. So it's super bendable and floppy. If you're doing a pond that has a lot of folds, bends, corners, it's really quite nice because it can fold really nice, and the folds are kind of weighted. And the problem with it compared to the RPE is the strength just isn't there. It's not reinforced, so the puncture resistance isn't as high. So it's kind of like a strength versus workability argument. I'd say for most ponds, I like the 30 mil laminated RPE. But there are cases where the EPDM is nice as well. So that's the end of this video, which was choosing a pond liner material. The next video we are going to do is anchoring the liner on the edge of your pond to actually secure it. So if you want to hear more about that, stick around.